Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can you off this automatic rotate setting guys. You want to off this setting, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off this auto rotate screen in your Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, when you use your YouTube and guys any app guys, you can see this rotate setting. So guys, how can you off it? In this video guys, I will show you. So friends, now let's see how can we off it. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to off this auto rotate setting. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see your display setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll and guys you can see your auto rotate screen. So guys we will off from this right side and guys now you can see this auto rotate screen has off and guys when you will rotate your phone it will not rotate. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.